Desde que. Desde que. What's the meaning of this? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is going to be a Spanish conjunction. You know, conjunctions are words that help you connect different sentences. The Spanish conjunction of the day is desde que. Desde que. The common meaning of desde is since or from. The common meaning of que is what. Since what. From what. This doesn't make that much sense. These words together mean since or ever since. Now let's see a few examples using this conjunction. No puedo dormir desde que vi la película de terror. No puedo dormir desde que vi la película de terror. Desde que te vi me enamoré de ti. Desde que te vi me enamoré de ti. He estado bailando desde que empezó la fiesta. He estado bailando desde que empezó la fiesta. Desde que te conocí he tenido muchos problemas. Desde que te conocí he tenido muchos problemas. No es lo mismo desde que te fuiste. No es lo mismo desde que te fuiste. Okay, that was the conjunction of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. You can also donate to this channel on that same website, smlessons.com. Leave more examples down below using desde que. Also, you can support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!